Kwale Nkosi.
Yawe,
Uyaphila bo.
yaphila.
Uphuza how many liters a day of water?
Ngiyaphuza man. It's after the COVID.
Hayi, phuza mwana, phuza people sokhulu. Sizokwazi ukuthi siqoqe. Phuza buta. Nodlamelana manje. Awu. Kwale Nkosi.
Yebo.
Kuwe no Baba Khet Matlala. Ubani onamanga kakhulu?
Ngani?
Wena uthi eindabeni angimazi mina uMatlala. Maze sifike lokhu nje SABC News uyicheck ugcoka ijacket eblack wathi awumazi. Wabuya wangena ngapha wathi uyamazi ublood brother wakho. So
I think zangumamele kahle. Yes. Ngathi angiyazi blue lights. There are no blue lights and I'm still firm on that. Yes. I even said there are letters, you see.
okay.
I thought the journalists will ask about the letter. No. He said to me, no, I'm aware about that.
Oh.
You see.
And
And lapho stifara khona ukuthi imoto zafika kithi. No, zange
sizobuya lapha sidlule lapha. Umbuzo wona usamile. Ubani onamanga kakhulu kuwe noKhet Matlala?
Angazi ukukhuluma ngani sengiclarify
Uthi yena akaza kuphi imali wena. Wena uthi ukuphila imali. Namhlanje uthi uphe esifeni. Last wathi ukuphe abo 1000 rand ne grocery lapha nalapha. Ubani onamanga ke noba siqale ngombuzo asicede umbuzo. Ubani onamanga kuwe noMatlala ubani onamanga amakhulu. Ngifuna nje ukuthi ubani strong la emangeni.
I think asimameli kahle. Mina ngumameli kahle. Groza ngicela ukuyiza ngawena manje.
Okay.
Shothi ukumamela songijajile uqedile ukuthi lo one day ngiyomthola. Groza ngicela ukuyizwa.
Asiye video yakumadlanga ukhuluma lento engiyizwa.
Yes, only thing ngisho kumadlangile bengikhuluma ngayo yokuhlala sidle kuma restaurant and other things. Groza hayi.
Akaze wena ukhuluma ukuthi imali akunika yona uKhet ila kubo 1000 ne grocery.
No, ngakhuluma ngepetrol. Zange sikhulume ngalento leyo. Futhi zange ngithi ngithi mali petrol. Sometimes unokucela ipetrol nami sometimes futhi uye kakhulu ethanda ukucela sihlangene man. Angifuni ukusebenzisa ikhadi awunabungane kanje lapho kanje asikhulumi nje. But iGroza ayakaza ngithengela iGroza ngibe ngicamba amanga. Hayi.
So Kwale Nkosi mangulethela ke ivideo wena ukhuluma lento leyo oyikhulumayo. Bese kuvela indaba wayikhuluma indaba yegrocery. Leli veni lami libela ngaphandle libonile mawungena khona ivele lemhlophe la eqaleni. Ilele engiyilayishela ngalabantu abanjengawe. So ngakuprove ukuthi uqamba amanga. But me ukuthi kunenkinga la.
Excuse me, Chair. Sorry. There's interfering sound coming through. I'm not sure from where.
Yeah, it's interpreting services.
I think it's volume on these things. You can just take out that headphones on you in front of you. Or you can put them on your ear. They're translating. Okay. Sure. Ngikhuluma ngalento le Mr. Mkhwanazi Nkosi yokuthi njengoba le ndoda uthi wena ayikazi yona ithi ayikazi yakuphi imali. Wena uthi ke yakupha.
Hayi lokho
unamanga ubani unamanga
nokwanginika. No kwanginika.
Okwakunika yena.
No ngicamba mama kule committee.
Okay. Ukuba imember yeANC.
Ngisakhula.
Useseyi
ngikhulele manje angikho active to any politics.
Useseyi member yeANC?
No. Angikho active to any politics.
Useseyi member yeANC?
Consciously so, and you see, but as membership card, no.
Why resign as a member?
No, you don't resign. Yeah, expire membership card.
Expire.
Yeah, expire. I'm sure you need annually.
Ngubuza ngoba uthe wena mawukhula ukhule in the political structure.
Yes, it's true.
And I question indlela okhule ngayo. One, uma ufundiswa isitha eCape Town. Yakuvuma lokho ngithi usho njalo. Funde through isitha la eCape Town. Saldanha.
No, lapha bese ngiyiphoyisa.
Osoyiphoyisa right ngikhuluma ngalokho.
Yes.
Waphindwa wafundiswa iFBI yase-USA.
Yes.
Waphindwa wafunda eLos Angeles.
No, it was here.
It was here, but
We-
but in Los
We
Angeles.
provided it, yes.
Are you not having a handler?
No. I
Sure?
Yes, I. My conscience doesn't allow me to do that. I'm very
Do
patriotic.
you think IP njengoba recommend ukuthi discipline is of discipline?
I don't know, I can't decide on their behalf.
Do you think is of discipline or
Angas.
I was?
But they submitted the recommendation, they submitted to the city.
Mm-hmm.
They submitted the negative recommendation when you check to the city. They finalized their report and submitted to the
To
city.
the city. Have you seen the report?
No.
Okay.
And I've been mentioning a statement that it was for the first time, but seeing this one, a responder from the city to IPT.
Reason ngibuza ngalama qualification ngalokufundiswa kwakho kwase Cape Town, USA, Los Angeles, is that when you come to ama promotions wakho are fast and maningi and aseduze onke wena wedwa nje, why?
And they're slow. There
slow.
are people who grow up faster than I.
Serious?
They are very slow and who don't have qualifications.
When you make Bright appoint as a superintendent, did you have qualifications?
So you can see, I was appointed by McBride or after McBride, I'm not sure. It's just that I don't remember was the chief.
Appointed like McBride.
I was McBride was only one term.
Appointed like two.
No, we only one term McBride.
Hmm.
We only 4 years foot.
4 years.
Remember,
In that term, boy superintendent did what?
Zanga sayiqeda. Mase ngu-chief futhi bangekho McBride. Zanga ayiqeda iterm yakhe.
Oh, azange promote mhlawumbe kawu-2.
No. He didn't sit in my promotions. In my promotions was directors and deputy chief. In fact, there's delegation. You see, chief of police doesn't sit in junior positions. I don't sit in junior positions. You see.
So appointed McBride one.
No, I passed the interview.
You passed interview.
Yes, I passed. I went to interview. We went to
But
interview.
you appointed
I
McBride.
passed the interview.
Oh, mhlambe ithi ngikusize ngobuza umbuzo lo ofuna uwe wakho so that soya kwami. Wayepass interview
Yes.
sengubuzile wakho umbuzo.
Yes.
Owami uthi wa appointwa uMcBride na. Umzwilizo oluthe uyimember ANC naye.
I didn't follow him.
Oh, okay.
Basically, prepare a best busy no nama lawyers prepare a statement. Ni mamele the first day exen.
Okay. Nginenkinga ke la mfowethu. Kunenkulumo ethi there's nothing for mahala.
So
Siyavumelana sinawo.
ngiyayazi le nkulumo.
Yabo izolo ingilimaze kakhulu lento when uMcBride says uSullivan is fighting a crime in South Africa and is doing it for free. Do you believe ikhonto njengaleyo?
In terms of crime, there are many people who are doing that. Yes, I believe.
For free.
There are many South Africans who are dedicating their life every day. When you go to the areas of Tlalago, the groups that are the patrollers, they don't get paid.
They do it for free.
Yes, they're doing it for free. And they're doing
I like how you started. You said there are many South Africans. Do you think a person like McBride will leave London, Irish or Ireland and come fight crime in South Africa for free?
McBride is a South African.
Or Paul O'Sullivan?
I don't know, Paul. I don't even
But
follow.
do you think as a police, remember intelligence of Ekurhuleni relies on you, we depend on you. Do you think a person would leave London or Ireland and come fight South Africa, a crime in South Africa for free?
He's having a private company. He's not benefiting.
Does
outside.
Paul O'Sullivan have a private company?
I'm not sure. He's a.
You just answered that question without me asking.
That is a businessman. He's a businessman.
Okay. I'm asking you that question because I want to do a favor to you to give you a question where you answered
Yeah. Can I not answer, but to Paul? I know nothing.
Okay, asibuza
Yes.
remember mnganami, remember Ekurhuleni idepende kuwe semahlombe akho. So intelligence is part of your office, right? It's what you should think.
correct.
Do you think a person like Paul O'Sullivan would leave Ireland or Irish, wherever, or London and come fight crime in South Africa for free now? We are on this thing, there's something for mahala. There's nothing for mahala.
If you're asking me about the South African, I don't know, Paul.
Uyasaba ukukhuluma ngoPaul O'Sullivan.
No, ngimazanga ngitshwalanga.
Yeah, oh,
I don't want to commit myself emntwini
kahle ngwale nkosi uyamazi uPaul O'Sullivan.
No, I don't know him.
Okay, ungasaphinde ungiphendula lokho
Okay.
ngikubuzile. Ithi ngikuphinde futhi uyamazi uPaul Sullivan?
No, angimazi uPaul.
Na umbuzo wami ke. Ngithi mina kuwena njengomphathi wamaphoyisa eKruleni. Do you think a person like Paul Sullivan would leave his country and fight crime in South Africa for free na?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know his
Akulekelela.
interest, yes.
Yinenkinga Nkosi Nkosi. We have lost credibility in leaders of our security system in South Africa. All people who are sitting there, most of them, if you have watched,
Yes.
they don't give us a trust in them that we can really rely on them, that most of their offices that they are running, especially la sensitive con. What do we do? Well, what should we do to ukususa inkinga enjengaleyo ukuthi sibe namaphoyisa anjengana phethe angathembakalanga? What is the problem? What causes such a problem?
You're putting me in a tight corner.
Ask case baba ngepolice. Yini yenze wena ukuthi kube lula ukuthi mhlawumbe uyithola umngani noKeth Matlala?
I think it's the trust and what they presented to members, you see. Because to me it was,
Let's leave members as
yeah,
full
to me
member.
it was a company, it was Cat VIP Security.
Personally, what made you
before I
trust Cat?
became, but there's nothing bad that it did to me.
To you?
And I did that, those things, they were not there.
They were not.
In fact, even if those things were, even now, if those things were not there, I was going to say Namsugel.
Those
You
were
see,
under-
yes. Yes, I was going to say, no. This man, I meet with him. This man doesn't discuss silly things, other things.
Do you still trust Cat Matlala?
The credibility has made me to challenge, and the way he has presented, and the way he has said, when they were asking me about me, he said he was my friend.
Do you still trust Cat Matlala?
I'm skeptical now, see. But I've been done thorough investigation to check all the, but I got all these things
So
now.
if you're saying you're skeptical, what are you waiting for that will change your mind?
He's in court.
You're waiting for
Yeah, he's in
court yakhe ukuthi phele.
No, not Ipele.
So ingakapheli uzokwazi ukudetermine ukuthi ungamthemba or ungamthembi.
Now I've learned many things with these processes.
Or you've learned.
Yeah, in this
Which
process-
concludes ukuthi you now know whether you trust him or not.
No, in anything that you do, you don't just,
With what you've seen so far, do you trust Cat Matlala?
he hasn't done bad thing to me.
Oh lolo, Nkosi Nkosi. Ngikubuza ngesizulu mntakaba. Uloko sokubonile usamthemba yini uKat Matlala? Ukwamthemba before?
Yeah, before being Temba, because
Usamthemba manje?
I might say my doubts.
Unama doubt.
Yes. There's England, there's Belayo, man. That's all.
Are you on suspension manje?
Yes.
Do you hope ukubuyela esiphoyiseni uyophatha futhi?
Yes, I can still lead.
Do you think you are a
Still
good leader?
I'm committed.
Do you think you are a good leader?
Yes, I'm committed.
Do you think we should trust you as South African?
Yes.
Why?
I do my work on daily basis. I deliver in terms of the mandate that I'm being given, that I'm appointed for. I do that 100%.
In your mandate,
I think there were shortfalls in terms of some of decisions that I took. You see, I didn't do that. There was a question that Umshonisha was asking. No, chairperson. You see, the intelligent part, we asked it.
khulumela ku mic mntakaba.
Oh, there were questions that Umshonisha he asked, and there was a question which chairperson I raised. Now we raise it many times that intelligent, see. And I've said, I think there's an oversight, there's a shortfall on my side. I must make sure that I improve in that skill. In making sure that you don't trust a person at the first time or
Ninkinga zemali mnganami.
no.
Nazo ikoloto.
No. I call it the tal is gone.
Clearance.
No.
Bad laws.
No. I don't buy. No. I don't buy in school aid.
Oh, uthenga cash.
Ngithenga lapho engafota khona ngemali encane hayi. I don't commit myself to. I've learned that. I was once before divorce. I was once here, but after divorce, I've learned to.
Nice and fit. So la ngicabanga ukuthi imandate yakho, part of imandate yakho ubheka ama drug unit, ama taxi task team, truck hijacking task team, illegal mining, VIP protection and intervention unit. Lapho ke kudume kakhulu into yama bribe. So njengoba kulula kakhulu ukuthi uthathe imali kuKhet Matlala, kulula kangakanani ukuthi labantu bakbribe bese uyayijikisa.
Now remember, people who are dealing with these people daily basis, it's different commanders.
Kodwa phela mase baboshiwe beza kuwa ngithi
Abo,
bona.
no, they don't come. No, it's different.
Abeze ku-
No.
So wena uzama ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi abazanga kuya uyosinda kanjani ungayitholi ibribe.
Angeke.
Akusukuthi uzoyijikisa.
No, if it was like that, I think the witness, the beggars will shoot young illegal mining. He doesn't know me.
Thank you so much, Honorable Breitenbach.
Thank you, Chairperson. Good afternoon, Mr. Mkhwanazi.
Afternoon, honorable member.
What position did you occupy immediately prior to your suspension?
The current position, Deputy Chief of Police Operations and Specialized Services. Deputy Chief of Police Operations and Specialized Services at the MPD.
EMPD is the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department.
Yes.
What is your highest formal educational qualification?
It's masters in
In-
public management.
And you obtained that where?
27
Not when, where?
or Genesis Business School.
Okay. During your evidence today, you've repeatedly referred to somebody as the chief. Who would that be?
Chief Isaac Mapie,
Yes, and
Chief
who
of
is he?
Police.
And who is he?
the Chief of Police of the city.
Is he still the chief of police?
Yes, but he's on suspension.
I see. And who is in his place?
Hey, they're changing. I think they've changed last week. I'm not sure. They are changing them because I saw an article, there was an acting.
No, that's fine.
Yes.
Time is not on our side, so. This chief, who was he investigating immediately prior to his suspension?
Who was he?
Investigating.
I'm not sure.
Was he investigating you?
No, I was not investigated by him.
You sure?
Yes, no, I was working. No one came to me. It was this IP thing. Then it went to legal and services. With us, madam, the people that are dealing with the labor issues, it's not the department.
I see.
It's HR, labor department that deals with those things.
Were you being investigated for murder?
No. And I was never investigated for any murder.
People think that you were.
Are you reading social media? It's social media that says that.
No, you don't have to concern yourself with that, Mr. Mkhwanazi. I don't read social media. I don't participate in it. I have a very busy real life. I don't need a virtual one. You say that in relation to accepting donations from Matlala, that the chief is doing the same thing. Now, what same thing are you referring to?
No, I didn't say so.
You did?
I spoke about vehicles.
Yes,
No, I've said,
I'm talking about cars.
oh, yes, I spoke about cars. Yes, you're correct.
What is the chief doing that is the same thing?
There are cars that are donated by Sintel. There's a chopper that is branded, that is having a branding of the city of Ekurhuleni. We had the chopper of the city of Ekurhuleni. There were cars that were donated before I engaged.
And did you think that it was okay for the chief to do this?
With the current one, it's not okay. You know why? Because those cars, officers can't drive the cars that doesn't belong to the city, because in terms of insurance, they're not covered. When we execute your work or duties, you must drive the marked cars or the cars that belongs to the city of Ekurhuleni.
In your view, what do you understand a conflict of interest to be?
When you do the same work that the institution provides. For example, I can't have a security company. It's a conflict of interest. I'm a police officer. Once I own the security company, I'll be conflicting or I'll be competing with my employer. It's a conflict of interest.
And do you think that it might give rise to a conflict of interest if you do professional business in the line of your work with your close friends?
Professional, I can do any other businesses with any close friends.
To the question, Mr. Mkhwanazi, and now you're sitting right between me and the witness. Now that you've made yourself comfortable, so you're sitting right between me and the witness. Hello, can you move, please? You were doing fine until you moved. Thank you. Do you think, Mr. Mkhwanazi, that it gives rise to a conflict of interest if in the line of your professional business you enter into business negotiations, business favors, contracts with close friends?
You'll correct me if.
I will, don't worry.
Yes. You are saying if I do business with a close friend, it will be a conflict of interest.
I'm asking if you think that gives rise to a conflict of interests.
No, I
Not.
do business with any friends.
I see.
As long as it's not related to.
No, but I
the work
think it's
that-
related to your work.
Oh, no, yes, you're correct.
It's a conflict of interest.
Related to work, yes, it's a conflict of interest.
So you don't think that discussing car donations with Matlala, Medicare 24 with Matlala, security contracts with Matlala, who you regard as your brother, is a conflict of interest? Because when the previous honourable member asked you about it, you did not want to make that concession, but I'm telling you now that you should. Because if you don't, you're going to eat away at the little credibility that you have.
May I answer?
Please.
Honorable member, you are mixing issues. The intention to donate, it was not a business. We wanted to donate vehicles to the city, not me, to the city, to the department, you see. Then the other one, you mentioned two things.
Yes, the Medicare 24 or?
Yes, even the Medicare, they didn't want to do business with me. They wanted to donate to the city, provide service to the city. It's not a conflict of interest. If I was going to get the services from myself and provide to the city and do business, it was a conflict of interest.
Now
I was going to get the cars
Yeah,
for myself.
That's the drift of what you're saying. We've all met Mr. Matlala, and he's not Mother Teresa, this we know. He's not Mother Teresa, Mr. Matlala.
Oh, Mother Teresa, oh yes.
Yes. So there's no reason why he would be giving you all of these things if he didn't want something in return.
I think I said earlier on, when I discussed with him, he doesn't want to discuss that. They discuss business. He's a businessman. I think partially I agree with you. He's a businessman discussing about
So if he gives you this small thing now, he wants something in return later on. You know it, he knows it, and I know it.
But I think he realized along the way that the powers that I'm having are not the ones that can take decisions. Jointly with Mike, it's the same thing that they've realized.
That doesn't help you, sir, with the conflict of interest issue. It remains a conflict of interest. Whether he realized that you're nebulous is irrelevant.
And the issues that he asked is the issues when I was answering or advocate. It's the issues that you can get anywhere. In website, in government policies. As I've said, we're a public issue.
Mr.
Yes, I've said-
Don't do that with me. Don't talk and talk and talk around the answer. It doesn't impress me and it's not going to impress anybody else. If you finished answering, you can stop. Don't keep on and on and on going, but you see, because you like to do that and I don't want you to. Now, you entered into 2 memorandums of understanding with Matlala or his companies, is that correct?
It was a proposal. We didn't end. It was not signed.
Now, you don't think that's a conflict of interest?
No, it was a proposal that he submitted to the city. He submitted to the city. He submitted to the department. He didn't submit to J.D. Mkhwanazi or to me personally.
Mr. Mkhwanazi, I understand that you may have a very inflated view of your own position. But when you're being friends with Kat Matlala and you're taking money and other friendly little bits and bobs and then you enter or you propose to enter into memorandums of understanding on behalf of the city. What do you think that is?
Madam, can you check the
Do you think
dates?
he's friends with you because of you? Or do you think he's friends with you because he thinks you can do something for him?
May I answer?
Please do.
When you check the dates, 2021, I was not friend to Vusimatlala. I didn't know Vusimatlala up until Mike introduced me. Then that's where the issue of donation of cars. But after, as I've said, I'm repeating, after the 30th of March, that's where everything ended in terms of me, the city, and because it was the last time when we worked with him. You see, after that, we were just friends discussing. There was nothing that happened between the city, Mike, between the city, Vusi. There was nothing at all. After the 30th of March,
Yes, let me
2022.
repeat. I got it the first
Yes.
time. So you told the previous honourable member that you didn't declare the cash donations that you received from Mr. Matlala.
Oh, yes. For
And you know that you were supposed to.
the funeral, now I know because of
You always knew, don't now you know and pretend that he taught you something you didn't know. You know that. You're a man with a master's degree from the Genesis. Are you telling me you don't know?
no, I raise it and I'm still raising it to you. That it was not a personal that coming to me directly, but you have changed it, then I agreed with it.
And he gave you money for petrol?
I used to ask money for petrol to me when he doesn't have money.
Oh, he borrowed money from you for petrol?
Remember, I don't drive. That time I was not driving, or I don't drive my own. They're driving me. I don't spend a lot when it comes to petrol.
So Kat Matlala borrowed money from you for petrol?
Yeah, sometimes you'll come and ask. Yes, he does that many times. He done that many times.
And did you ever borrow money from him for petrol?
I know. That's what I'm saying. I don't suffer in terms of petrol. I don't
I
waste
see.
money.
So you only suffer in terms of other things?
Yeah. But sometimes you will sit and say, you will give 500, 200, those money, smaller yana monies.
I see.
You buy food and relax and enjoy. And it doesn't drink. You don't waste. It doesn't go to bars and what.
You used the council letterhead in order to write the memorandums of understanding, in order to authorize the blue dash lights. And in that fashion, you abused your position, is that correct?
I didn't authorize the utilization of blue lights. It's on affidavit from Christine. It's on me. I've said it many times. I didn't authorize any blue lights.
You didn't authorize a memorandum, you didn't write a memorandum instructing that Matlala's security company should be able to use council blue light vehicles.
Madam, can you read that memorandum and show it to me?
I'm asking you, I'm not
No.
giving you anything, and don't be cute with me, just answer the question.
No, but I've said no, and I've said it for the 30th time now. And I've said it in my statements, in my affidavit that I've signed.
Question, because you're so busy backtracking. The question is this: did you write a memorandum on a council letterhead that instructed that Matlala Security Company should have access to council blue light vehicles?
No. The letter, I know what you're talking about. It's on Instagram, it's on social media. And even at Matlala, I challenged that thing. And it's talking about 7 cars. The intention with Vus, it was 4 cars.
I see. And your wife, did she have access to blue light cars?
My wife,
Yes.
I don't have a wife.
Oh, you don't have a wife?
Yes.
Did Mr. Matlala's wife have access to blue light cars?
I don't know Matlala's wife.
You don't know her. Okay, then in answer to a question from, I think it was Mr. Ntuli, you said something quite interesting. You said, are officials not supposed to be creative? What did
Yes.
you mean?
Yes. Are they not supposed to come up with something that will develop the city or develop the department?
Well,
We
my
work
problem is
with,
this, let me finish it. My problem is this, you said it in relation to a discussion surrounding this issue.
no, I was saying it in a broad way, not only, I was not.
So you were
directing-
discussing this issue, but in a broad sense, you said you must be creative.
Which issue,
You were discussing this issue.
which one? We discussed many
the
things.
cause and the conflict of interest. And then you said, oh, you're not supposed to be creative.
No, we're not discussing it. We're discussing this thing of Mike,
Yeah.
of not about the cars. I remember it was
Yeah.
specifically.
And what did you mean by that, Mr.
I
Mkhwanazi?
was saying the members can't come to me and say, there's this member or this person want to donate. Can you go and do that? And I took that from those members because there was a challenge in the city. There's a challenge of vehicles. There's a challenge of members that are dying with the response that is not effective. In fact, it has happened twice or thrice where we were waiting for ambulance, members were shot, they died. In 2019, members were died around those that we didn't get any fast response.
Well, that's terrible. That's a terrible situation to be in. But you're having trouble recognizing a conflict of interest. So I worry about you thinking that that kind of thing can be dealt with in a fashion that you regard as creative. Why shouldn't I be worried about that?
I don't know, man. For example, I can tell you about social crime issues. We don't have material, we don't have equipment. Members, they are creative. They go to different institutions, different departments and get a pamphlet that talks about drink and driving, that talks about domestic violence. And we allow that because it's a good strategy. It's assisting in terms of communicating the message to public.
Now, you say that the money that Matlala gave you was for the funerals of your siblings.
The cow, yes, and the cow.
So I'm sorry that that happened.
Thank you.
But you also said that you used it to buy cows. Is that correct?
Yes, yes. That's what I'm saying. Cows.
The cows for the funeral?
No. 2 cows for myself.
Oh, for yourself.
Yes. And I've declared it.
I see.
Yes.
And why did you think that a man in your position should be accepting money to buy cows?
No, I wanted to invest on cows. Then we discussed, you see. Then he said, no, I can assist in terms of buying cows.
Did you pay him back?
No, I declared, no, cows are still growing. Just that
Cows are still growing.
I'm losing them this year because of the disease. I'm losing a lot of them.
Well, that's not good.
Sorry?
That's not good. I don't like to hear about animals
Yeah.
struggling.
I declared plus minus. I think now they were 16, but now it's half that I.
Yeah. But you didn't think that a man in your position, in the position that you held, in the security structure that you were in the sensitive position that you find yourself, that could give rise to a conflict of interest, borrowing money to buy cows, or taking money, because you're not borrowing, you're not giving it back. Can you see that there's a problem there?
Yes, that's correct.
And you went ahead and did it?
No, it was investment to cows. And I've declared it. I didn't want to hide it.
But Mr. Mkhwanazi, declaring something doesn't take the sting out of it.
Oh, you're correct.
Can you see that there's a problem there?
Yes.
It's quite glaring.
Because in future, you don't know what will be the plans. And
Yeah. So next time he comes, he wants a favor. Now he's got this herd of cows and you're beholden to him. You understand why you don't want to develop a conflict of interest, but you took no steps to avoid it.
No, I
In fact, you
avoided,
encouraged it.
I avoided it. From
You
now,
didn't avoid it. You took the money.
no, I avoided. When you check, from 2023 till now, we don't have any relations. That's why he said he was my friend. He didn't say his friend. Say he was my friend.
And while we're on the subject of friends, now your friend has fallen on hard times and he finds himself in prison. Now you're not so sure that he's your friend.
Sorry?
So now that he finds himself in prison and he's fallen on hard times, now you're not so sure that he's your friend.
No, he was arrested 2024.
Is he your friend?
No, before 2024, we were no longer communicating that.
Is he your friend?
He said I was his friend.
I'm asking you, speak for yourself. You're a grown man. Is he your friend?
Hey, from now, I've answered that. I said
Is
now,
he your friend?
no.
No.
Yeah, we are no longer friends.
Why?
Since from 2024, late 2023, 22, we were no longer communicating.
This man is like your brother. You said so.
Yeah, but we were no longer communicating.
Why?
There was fault down in terms of communication.
Why?
We didn't fight.
What happened?
I think
Did he
it's
stop
good
giving you money?
No, it was not about that. Do you want to tell me that the friends that you grow up with, 100% all of them, they're still your friends. No.
Now,
The
you're not
friends that
supposed
you
to
most
ask me
affect-
questions. I'm here to ask you questions, luckily. Now-
He's not my friends like any other friends that I didn't fight with. The communication broke down. It doesn't mean he's my enemy, but he's not we are no longer communicating like
I see.
before. Not only him.
So you're what's known as a fair weather friend.
Okay?
Fair weather friend. You're friends when the going is good, and when the going is not so good, then you head for the hills.
I'm not that type of a person.
You're not.
Yeah, I'm not that type of a
I'm
person.
beginning to wonder.
I'm not that type.
You
But
weren't so sure if you wanted to say you trusted him. Do you trust him?
on what?
Anything. Do you trust him?
Related to work or
Anything. He's your friend. He's your brother. Do you trust him?
I trusted him.
And now, sitting there today, do you trust him?
As I've said, there's a gap now. We're no
You
longer.
don't trust him.
Yes, we're no longer together now.
Oh, so he's now in prison. Now he's not.
No, I
Can't be
didn't,
trusted
I
either.
didn't say that. I've said I'm not that type of a person. I don't betray people when they're in dark. I've said from 2023 till now. 2023, he was there. He was not arrested. 2024, he was not arrested. He was arrested late 2024.
When's the last time he gave you any money?
Oh, it was that time.
That time.
Yes.
So the time you stopped giving the money is the time the friendship went
No.
south.
No, it was, you're talking about 2022 now. That was 2022. I've said from 2023,
Okay.
2024.
While you were friends with him and you felt like he was your brother, did you know about all this business of his?
No. What business? Yes, he had business of Medicare 24, business of VIP protection. I did know.
You know that Mr. Mkhwanazi's got a very impressive record of brushes with the police. I don't have it with me right now, but there's like 15, 16, 17 arrests for things like housebreaking, carjacking, all withdrawn. Astonishingly, all withdrawn, except one he went to prison for. You didn't know about that?
No, we checked. As I've said when I was answering the Honorable, the only thing that came, it was the shoplifting thing.
Shoplifting?
Yes.
You think he got 4 years in jail for shoplifting?
No, when we check in the system, we talked about for shoplifting. Other things don't appear.
I see. But
they
it's
don't
funny
appear.
that the newspaper could find it, but you couldn't. You, the chief of police and the man who's got access to all the intelligence in the world.
No, I was not investigating. I can't interfere with his investigation.
So you know that
Now-
you've got this dodgy friend and you don't investigate, but you take money from him.
No, but it was everywhere now. He was arrested. It's everywhere. No, everyone knows about it.
Did you know that he was dodgy before when he was your friend and your brother?
I've said no, madam.
But why
Because-
did you not know?
I didn't know Vusi. When I know Vusi Matlala as the owner of CAT VIP Security,
Yes.
as one of the directors of Medicare.
About CAT VIP security, how successful a business was it?
I didn't research that.
You didn't.
I can't go to him and ask him about his personal.
But you want to recommend him to look after the state of the city or the
I've said I went to his business. I saw the office. I saw everything that is the staff and everything. The registration number, it is there. It's like any VIP.
But you don't know anything about the business. You don't know if it's successful.
No, I didn't go deep. I can't ask personal things. I can't ask are you successful? Are you failing?
How's that personal if you're busy doing a business deal?
No, it was not a business deal.
It was a favor.
I'm repeating to you, madam. I've said it was intention to donate to the city, not to myself.
Say to the people of the city, I'm just supplying security. It's a donation. I don't know if they're any good, but I mean, let's just go for it because it's free. Is that how you do your job? Is that your job?
I didn't do any research about his business. Let me say so, madam. And his private life in terms of how he makes money, I didn't do that.
What was the branding of his security company?
The CAT VIP Security.
What was the branding?
It's having, no, I'm explaining it.
Huh?
It's having CAT VIP Security. It's having, I think it's the head of, what is this, Royal or Gold thing? I think it's about that.
Where did they have that
And
branding?
it's having registration number. Yes.
Where did they have that branding? On the cars?
No, letterhead.
On their letterhead?
Yes.
But he had it not on any of the cars?
No, I've never seen it.
Now, what kind of a security company is that has no branding?
No, people are doing that.
Really?
Yes, it depends the type of service. There are people who don't want to be exposed, that are protected by certain companies. There are individuals who want to be protected by
see.
hiding themselves, who don't want to be seen that their businesses, who do good business.
So it's just
But for their
black
safety-
cars with darkened
But it-
windows with blue lights that drive at great speed, but they don't want to attract attention to themselves.
I didn't say blue lights. You are the one who's mentioning blue lights. I still repeat, I don't know blue lights.
Is it true that you refer to Mr. Matlala as boss?
Boss?
Yeah, boss.
No, we call each other Ngamla.
What?
Ngamla means senior, Ngamla.
What does that
He's
mean?
not my boss.
What does that mean?
Sorry?
What
I
does
don't
it
want to put it like that.
What is it?
Ngamla, it's a total of saying Mlungu.
What is that? So you tell me what?
Mlungu. It's a total of saying
Mlungu?
Ngamla Mlungu, yes.
The white man?
Yes, that's how we call it. In Gauteng, you call it, it's a total. That's how we grew up
See.
calling Ngamla.
Okay. All right. I think I'm done with you.
Even in Sotho, we say Lihowa, if you don't want to sort
I
it
think I'm
out.
done with you. Thank you, Mr. Matlala.
Thank you.